Hey, what's going on, guys? Calvin Russell here, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to talk credit cards. I know y'all love to talk about credit cards, all right? So some people are afraid of them, and some people know how to really maximize them. And if you just want information, then hey, we're here to give it to you, okay? So one of the nation's largest credit card producers, Capital One, just came out with their new Venture X credit card. All right. So for those of you who don't know, the Venture card has been out for quite some time. It's been known to give a higher limit than their traditional platinum credit card. I would say it's probably like their level 2 type of credit card. And of course, it's Capital One, so it's never really too difficult to get a Capital One card. But this one, they're really trying to push a lot of perks and benefits into it. And it's got perks like an American Express type of card. So let's go into more about this card. So for one, they just announced it. Okay. So they're not even taking applications yet until November the 9th. Okay. And of course, they're doing it because, the shopping frenzy is about to start. Okay. So they won't take any applications until November 9th. And it's a metal credit card. So, of course, that's going to have that prestige if you're all into it. Okay. But one of the things that I love about it is that it's going to have the Tsa Pre-Check. I never even knew what that was until obviously you go to the airport, and then of course you go through the regular line, through TSA, or you go through the pre-check line. And of course, for those who don't know, I don't know how much it's going to cost in your state. I don't know if it's state specific, but at the time it was only $100 to do it. They do a background check too. Like they pulled up like an old speeding ticket I had like from 2008. Okay, and this is like 2 or 3 years ago that we actually got ours. But either way, that they do a background check to get that TSA pre-check, but that comes with the Capital One Venture X card as well. So you get access to airport lounges, of course, yes, airport lounge access as well. It's mainly for traveling, okay? So you get unlimited 2 times the miles on all eligible purchases and booking via Capital One Travel. So now, again, trying to have that online portal type deal like American Express when you buy tickets, when you buy airline and things of that sort. Now they're trying to have where you go through them. Okay. And so, of course, you get that. You get 5 times the miles on flights. You get 10 times the miles on hotels and rental cars. Now, of course, you're going to get an annual fee with this. It's a $395 annual fee, guys. There's only a few places on the planet that charges that type of an amount, and you're talking about American Express, you're talking about Chase, you're talking about the higher end cards, mainly because of all the benefits that you're going to be getting. Okay, they do allow a balance transfer. Okay, so you can do 4% of the amount of the transaction. You also get 100,000 bonus miles after spending $10,000. Okay, on purchases within the first 6 months. So you got to be using this bad boy. All right. So, of course, I talk about the mileage on that. You also get up to $300 in statement credits each year just for booking through Capital One Travel. So again, they're trying to push that you're using their platform for travel searches and such. You also get up to $200 in statement credits for vacation rentals, and that does include Airbnb and Vrbo as well too. All right. You also get a $10,000 mile bonus just for having the card each year. Okay. You also get $100 statement credit for global entry or TSA pre-check. It costs $100, I believe, anyway. And then, of course, over 1,300 priority pass lounges at airports and Capital One lounges. So you'll be able to get access to that as well as authorized users. So that's huge. Another perk for authorized users. So you get that. And that's for free entry up to 2 guests per visit. I'll put the link in the description if you guys want to, because I don't make the video too long. Because everyone's not really into travel cards. But you also get complimentary Hertz President Club status for those as well, too. So that means that you get pretty much a wider vehicle search. It would be Hertz, which is crazy because not long ago they was just filing bankruptcy. So but either way, you get complimentary cell phone insurance, and I don't even know who uses all that stuff, but I don't know, because some people use certain parts, but the traveling part, because people are starting to travel again, so I think that's probably why too, because they know people are going to be traveling for Thanksgiving. A lot of people are vaccinated and such, and of course, you have a Christmas coming up, so this is right on time. But this is most definitely now in the conversation with Chase Sapphire, with the Platinum card from American Express. I mean, so it's keeping up with it, you know. And of course, Capital One, we know they don't have all these rules, you know, like Chase does, and they don't have all these behind the scene random stuff like American Express does. Capital One's been pretty straightforward. They approve a lot of people, so most definitely keep an eye out for that. So either way, I think that's it's so many perks. It's ridiculous. It really is ridiculous. So it's most definitely in that conversation with the more premium credit cards. But remember, you cannot apply until November 9th. Okay, so keep that in mind. So if you like this video, like it, you want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we have nothing but great content on the way. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.